Hi, it's Denise Mai.
And I'm Ann Pham.
Today we have our newest listing here at Seaside by Mosaic in sunny Tsawwassen. We're so excited and thrilled to showcase this beautiful townhome in this coveted community.
That's right, we're excited to give you a tour of Unit 314726 Orca Way. This is a beautiful appointed townhome right here in Tsawwassen with all the bells and whistles you ever want in a home.
Yeah, we have 2 bedrooms and a den, plus 2.5 bathrooms, boasting almost 1,200 square feet of living space. This is perfect for those of you seeking a spacious and comfortable home. Come on in, I'll give you a tour. Welcome home. This is your main floor where everything happens. You have these high ceilings that soar, and you have these open concept feel. You have here your living room. Just imagine entertaining, watching a movie, and this living room opens up into your large, spacious balcony. Just imagine barbecuing and enjoying these summer evenings here in your own beautiful townhome. And as you move from your living room now into your dining room, you have these 10-foot ceilings that are soaring high, which creates such an open space, perfect for entertaining. And here you have a 6-seater round cedar table that is great for family gatherings and dinners. But the highlight of this home is this kitchen. And here is your sleek and modern kitchen. You have these matte finish cabinetry, which also you have a beautiful Whirlpool appliance package. The dishwasher is actually flush, so you actually don't see it. You have all these beautiful quartz countertop with a double mount under sink and all these black feature faucets. And look how open the space is. Just really these floor to ceiling windows bring in so much natural light. This is perfect for those of you who love to cook and entertain.
For those who value privacy, the 2 bedrooms are tucked away on the top floor. This home is located in the Cliff Drive Elementary School and the South Surrey Secondary Catchment. The home is also steps away from the Splashdown Water Park, making it the perfect place to spend summer days.
This home is perfect for your family and everything that you need, and it's the ultimate coastal retreat. Come see her for yourself. If you want to take a look at this amazing home, feel free to contact us. My name's Denise Mai.
And my name is Ann Pham.
And we're more than happy to set up a private viewing with you.